Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a car to a dealership. First, ensure your vehicle is in its best possible condition. A clean car, both inside and out, makes a strong first impression and can significantly impact the offer you receive. Next, gather all essential paperwork, such as the car's title, maintenance history, and any spare keys. This preparation streamlines the process and demonstrates your readiness to sell, potentially saving you time and hassle at the dealership. Once your car is ready, it's time to get offers. Visit at least 3 different dealerships to compare their valuations. Remember, dealerships often have varying needs for inventory, which can affect their offers. Be honest about your car's history and any minor imperfections. Transparency builds trust. You might also consider obtaining an online appraisal beforehand to have a baseline figure in mind. This helps you negotiate more effectively. Negotiation is a key part of the process. Armed with your research, confidently present your car's value. If you're also buying a new car, negotiate the trade-in value separately from the new car's price. This strategy helps ensure you get the best deal on both transactions. Remember, dealerships expect some negotiation, so don't accept the first offer. Be prepared to politely decline if the offer is too low. Finally, it's time to finalize the sale. Carefully read all documents, including the bill of sale and title transfer forms, to ensure accuracy. Confirm the payment method. A cashier's check or electronic transfer is generally safest. Before handing over the keys, double-check that you've removed all personal items from the car. Once everything is signed and payment is secured, the car is officially sold and you can move on.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.